Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be looking at Rotary Milking Parlour Automation. We'll talk about the challenges faced in this application, particularly the environment and the solution that motion control products can give you, our customers. We will also look at key features and customer benefits for this solution. Firstly, let's go through the challenges which are most significantly impacting operational efficiency and reliability. Among these challenges, durability emerges as a pressing concern, particularly concerning the existing slip rings that are crucial for power transmission between stationary and rotating components. These slip rings, subjected to relentless operational demands, have shown susceptibility to premature deterioration, raising alarms with quality issues due to harsh environment. This main issue is the presence of harsh chemicals and acids, which are inherent to dairy environments. These corrosive substances inflict accelerated wear and tear on the slip rings, undermining their structural integrity and jeopardising overall system performance. Consequently, the milk rotary parlour's reliability is compromised, with the slip rings introducing interruptions in milking operations. Also, the perpetual struggle against degradation exacts a toll on maintenance efforts, escalating costs and putting a strain on available resources. Frequent repairs and replacements become an inevitable necessity to sustain operational efficiency, further exacerbating the operational burden. The solution we found was better slip rings, which are used to transfer power and electrical signals from fixed structure to one in continuous rotation. The slip ring is made up of two parts, an external one called a stator, as normally this is stationary. This consists of brushes of noble materials like gold, silver or copper. The inner part is called the rotor, and this is normally rotating. This consists of rings also made of noble materials. The operation is reversible, meaning the external part, which is normally fixed, can be rotated, and the internal part, which normally rotates, can be fixed. For this application, we chose the ER hollow shaft range from slip rings. This slip ring is engineered to resist corrosion from dairy chemicals. It can also handle high power levels for smooth parlour operations. With multiple signals, digital, analogue and field bus, it is a versatile product for demanding applications. These slip rings are reliable, proven performance in harsh industrial environments. Standard versions offer through-hole design with diameters ranging from 12.7mm to 700mm. These slip rings can transmit very high power levels, even by paralleling multiple contacts. This transmits digital, analogue and field bus signals, including Ethernet real-time protocols. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using our slip rings to combat the rapid deterioration of existing slip rings in the milk parlour. A material known for its exceptional corrosion resistance was chosen, stainless steel. This upgrade was specifically designed to withstand the harshest environments where acids and chemicals are a constant threat. By switching to stainless steel variants, the goal was to significantly prolong the service life of the slip rings. This was directly translated to improved reliability of the entire rotary parlour operation and minimising downtime and disruptions. Why not check out our range on our website? Any further questions, you can talk to one of our technical team who can assist you on your application requirements. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this product or have similar issues in your application, please use the contact information on screen or in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all our videos.